All right, guys. So today we're gonna learn about the wacky worm, and today we're gonna learn about the wacky worm, and we're gonna learn together because I have no idea about the wacky worm. Never tried it, never been successful. I've kind of researched it and been like, well, I'll do it when I get the little tool. Well, today I got the tool. So this is the old wacky worm tool. Insert lure into tool, roll O-ring down over tool and onto lure at desired location. Remove lure, insert the hook between the O-ring and the soft plastic. You are now ready to fish the wacky style. Well, let's try setting it up. All right. So what I've seen is they put two O-rings on and an X. So that's what we're gonna do, because that's what I researched. All right, and today we're using the Yum Dinger. Typically I'm a lunker log guy, but this was a pack of 30 for 10 bucks. So I mean, a log's a log, I guess. So, and this is watermelon red flake. Watermelon red flake. All right. So insert the wacky worm, well, the log, into the wacky worm deal. You honestly kind of want it in the middle, so just after that blank spot. See the blank spot? So we're gonna roll the rubber onto it right after the blank spot. All right, and I'm gonna roll another one over it in the same location. Boom. All right, and then what I researched was you turn it into an X. So you put the O-ring kind of crisscross, just like that, until you have an X. Like that. You see that? It's an X. And then you take your weedless hook. And I don't know how many of y'all know what a weedless hook is, but that is a weedless hook. Okay, it's got this little clip. You go like that and it keeps weeds from getting on it. So you take your weedless hook and you put it right underneath the X, and just like so, you get a wacky rig. Now let's see how it works. Oh. Lovely. Lost my first fish. There's one. All right, bass number one. Too big to take to the pond, so you're going back in, buddy. But nice looking bass. Bass number one. All right, that was one cast of that Vixen crankbait. Man, I love those. I went online after I lost it in a tree. The first one I got from Mystery Tackle Box. So I ordered me two more of the gold. Wacky worm time. Oh. So I already, as soon as I casted it, they got nailed. Oh, I got you that time. About the same size as the other one, except this guy is a little bit more gold. All right. That's my first catch on a wacky worm. I've never tried it. I rigged it up today. I got the little O-rings. I guess it works. Wacky worm fish? Nope. And I honestly only casted that twice. The first time it got nailed. Bam! That's another one for the wacky worm. This one's a little bit bigger. Holy crap! Alright guys, well if you don't have a wacky worm set up at home, then you're missing out. Because this is my first time using the wacky worm today. And that's my second fish. They're not whoppers or anything, but it's not that big of a pond. They're good looking fish, but I mean, that's 2 in a row, like in the matter of like 15 minutes. Get the wacky worm. Like, I didn't know what I was missing out on until like, I don't know, 10 minutes ago. He hit it so hard, he put it over the weight. Wacky worm. Very, very simple. You get a couple O-rings. You put a weedless hook on your line, and that's it. It's a super easy setup, and then you just tweak it like this. Bink, bink, bink. Awesome. Got another one. Oh, I mean, I had another one. I must have just grabbed the worm. There's one thing I like more than scouting new spots is succeeding in new ways of fishing that I've never tried before. It's the silliest way to fish too. I've seen people do it and I'm like, how does that even work? Another one. Ah, awesome. Oh, easy. Easy. Oh, man. This is a lot of fun. Little guys. But a lot of fun. How the heck did he push that worm? Wow. So that's 3. Oh my God. Wacky worm, where have you been all my life? Oh. He didn't catch it on the hook. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right. I'll let you guys know. This is 8-pound test. This is my ultralight. Because I wasn't really sure how to set up the wacky worm. It didn't seem like I needed that heavy duty of a rig for it. Whew. Holy cow. Okay. Wow, that is really bad. Okay, that is the biggin. Oh, I found mommy. Oh man, what a bad spot to catch you. Oh man. This is a bad spot to catch you. Alright guys, I gotta make this really quick, but I just gotta measure this guy. I can't believe this guy. He came out of nowhere. Two pounds. Okay, exactly 2 pounds. All right, I gotta get it right back in the water. All right, there you go, sweet lady. All right. Whew. That was on a Wacky rig. So guys, that just sums it up right there. If you've not tried the Wacky rig, you're missing out. So get on top of it, all right? It's easy and it's fun. And next time I'll probably rig it up on a stronger rod. That was a little sketch. But anyway, have a good one. Thank you for watching.